Myself, Hemant Chafale. I am CEO working with Trust System Software India Private Limited. In terms of customer behavioral management, in terms of offering various financial services. IoT, although it is not that predominant right now, but in coming days, most of the things will be machine driven rather than the human intervention. And AI is going to play very crucial role in giving feedback mechanism to the entire applications so that the service will be improved, customer will have multiple choice, and thereby the cost end of the day is going to come down. Today is typically 2%, which is substantially high. With the automation and all this AI and IoT, the operational cost should come down to 0.5%, which will be a benefit to customer as well as to the bank. Some of the finance companies, they are using this AI for offering multiple products to the customers, and they are able to acquire those customers online. Like if you see, you will find a lot of messages coming to you, pre-sanctioned loans coming to you. These are all basically inputs from various credit agencies, your behavioral pattern, your surfing pattern, all these data captured, and based on the intelligence, the offers are made to the customer. Both SMB and enterprise, they behave differently. For an enterprise, the industry expects that there has to be end-to-end solution for its employees, for its own organization, and for its customer. For SMB, typically it is the cost and the service which matters. So when we talk of fintech and latest platform and the technology, the service turnaround time has drastically reduced. Most of the things are automated, just like KYC. Earlier it used to happen that the account opening itself used to take 2 to 3 days. Now it's a matter of few minutes, your accounts get opened. NEFT has started 24/7. Very shortly RTGS will also start 24/7. So basically banking will be 365 days 24/7. Branch operations probably may get reduced to 5 days working, which will also increase the service to the entire community as well as to the banking industry. Although you find a lot of ATMs than the card, but going forward, cards may not be required. Your mobile becomes your digital payment system. Your QR code will suffice the needs of payment and the authentication. Slowly we are moving to cardless economy and maybe very shortly a cashless economy. Once the customer is acquired, because of the technology and because of the various options available, every fintech company or a bank wants to provide maximum solution through the same customer, thereby increasing their bottom line. That's why fintech are now moving on to insurance segment, where the risk is low and the turnaround time is also low. New trend is coming. RBI has mandated some of the masking of master data. The encryption, earlier it used to be 64-bit data encryption. Now it is mandatory that you have 256 KB of data encryption, and VAPT, vulnerability assessment penetration testing. Every instance, every installation is mandated by RBI. It has to be VAPT compliant. So a lot of security, PCI DSS compliance, it has also come up. Now at every point, the security and the penetration is very important. RBI is controlling all these and ensuring that the data is safe and secure. The biggest challenge is that people still feel that bigger infrastructure, bigger banks are required. In the Western world, the banks are changing. Entire banking is now moving on mobile. In next 10 years, we will find there will be a banking, but there will not be infrastructure, big infrastructure for the bank. There will be a digital infrastructure. It's always good to have a partnership with fintech players, and in IT space, it's always the authenticity, it's always the secrecy, it's always the commitment of the partner, is service commitment to the customer, because of which he gets the business. So if he has a relationship, then the partner relationship with customer works with fintech will definitely give better results. In terms of digitization, there is going to be a paperless banking. All documentation government is planning to have DigiLocker. So you will find that it is completely 100% paperless. Right now we have a location for the branch, you have a location for the customer. Once it becomes a digital, all the documents will be authenticated using the document IDs at the DigiLocker. A lot of paperwork will move out. It will be a anywhere bank, serviced by person sitting anywhere and service given at any location. It will be independent of geography, it will be independent of product, and it will definitely reduce substantial cost end of the day of the service.
For more updates from CXOTV, please like and subscribe to our channel.